BMW M3 GTR is a car that already stands out in the world of performance. From its sleek design to its impressive engine, the GTR version of the M3 series is the ultimate example of BMW's engineering. However, what happens when you push this car even further? What happens when you modify a M3 GTR to unlock its true potential? Let's take a closer look at how enthusiasts take this already iconic car to the next level. Starting with the heart of the M3 GTR, the engine. Stock, it features a 4.0-liter V8 that cranks out nearly 500 horsepower. But for those who want more, the possibilities are endless. One of the most common modifications is the addition of a forced induction system. This could mean a supercharger or turbocharger kit that can significantly increase horsepower, pushing the car well over 600 or even 700 horsepower. These upgrades not only boost performance, but also provide that spine-tingling acceleration. Handling is another area where the modified M3 GTR shines. While the stock suspension is impressive, performance enthusiasts often upgrade to a full coilover system, allowing precise adjustments for ride height, dampening, and cornering stiffness. Whether you're taking the car to a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, this upgrade ensures a much more responsive and adaptable driving experience. When it comes to aesthetics, the modified BMW M3 GTR is a true standout. Many owners opt for custom wheels, often lightweight forged alloys that reduce unsprung weight and improve handling. The right set of wheels can change the car's entire look, making it more aggressive or sleek, depending on the style. Adding a wide body kit with flared fenders and custom side skirts not only improves aerodynamics, but also gives the car a more aggressive stance, enhancing both function and style. Inside, the focus is on performance. Many owners swap out the standard seats for racing bucket seats, often made from lightweight materials like carbon fiber. These not only improve support during high-speed cornering, but also save weight. A custom steering wheel, a sportier gauge cluster, and even the addition of a roll cage are all common modifications. These changes give the interior a track-ready feel while maintaining the luxury BMW experience. Finally, tuning is the most important step after all these upgrades. With all the modifications, getting the car tuned ensures that every part is working in harmony. ECU remapping or custom tuning adjusts the car's engine and drivetrain to match the new components, ensuring smooth power delivery, improved throttle response, and overall enhanced performance. When you modify a BMW M3 GTR, you're not just upgrading parts. You're creating a completely unique machine that can take on any challenge. Whether you're aiming for more power, improved handling, or a more aggressive look, the options are endless. The modified M3 GTR isn't just a car, it's an experience, an expression of the passion and dedication of BMW enthusiasts worldwide.